7 Heart Healthy Foods for Women. Heart disease affects both men and women. For women, this has become a serious concern. This is not just because the number of women with the disease has increased. In reality, it's because the way that it manifests makes it more difficult to detect. In this article, you'll learn about 7 heart healthy foods. However, what's most concerning is that women take longer to have a medical checkup. Plus, although they might have particular risk factors for heart disease, they ignore it until something more serious shows up. Number 1 Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, and other types of nuts are foods that provide omega-3 fatty acids, amino acids, and antioxidants that help protect your heart health. Number 2 Broccoli. Broccoli has long been popular in all healthy diet plans. This vegetable is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Naturally, this makes it an ingredient that promotes better arterial and heart health. Number 3 Strawberries. Low in calories and rich in antioxidants, strawberries are excellent for taking care of your heart. Number 4 Turmeric. Turmeric is an ingredient that every woman should consume. It stands out for its anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and pain-relieving properties, making it a common natural remedy. Number 5 Green tea. Green tea became popular around the world for its weight loss properties. However, green tea also contains many antioxidants with lots of benefits for your cardiovascular health. Number 6 Olive oil. This essential ingredient from the Mediterranean diet is another one of the best dietary supplements to keep heart disease at bay. Number 7 Salmon. Finally, salmon and other varieties of cold water fish contain omega-3 fatty acids and high-value protein to help care for your heart. Yeah.